What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Orbs again po, and of course another blessed day and another reaction video tayo today. Sobrang na-excite ako guys because another Filipino pride ang papanoorin natin ngayong araw na to. This is Arabel de la Cruz. I know some of you kilala nyo na siya, runner-up siya sa The Clash, and this is her first international singing competition na sasalihan niya, which is the Build Cup. I hope that I pronounced that correctly, no? Tara na, huwag na natin patagalin to. Panoorin na natin ang kanyang final performance sa The Build Cup sa South Korea. Another Pinoy proud! Woohoo! Let's celebrate this one. And guys, kung bago sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos. Tara na, let's do this! Panoorin na natin tong performance ni Arabel. Eto na po. Let's do this. So excited.
Birds flying high.
Ooh.
You know how I feel.
Hey! Sounds spicy, hot. Ganda ng opening niya. And look at the judges, for sure. Judges to, nakanganga agad. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Sun in the sky. You know how I feel.
Just a quick trivia guys, no? Si Arabel po ay isa din siya sa, alam ko, sa part siya ng The Queendom because of her voice quality, sa kanyang high notes, sa kanyang high range voice quality, no? Yung caliber nito ni Arabel, very amazing din tong singer na to, artist na to, no?
Drifting on by. You know how I feel.
Nakakakilig naman yung boses niya. Very, yung attention pakukuha niya talaga. And guys, I know some of you napanood nyo na ibang performance ni Arabel, but ako guys, this is the first time na panonoorin ko tong final performance niya rito. May napanood na ako in the previous videos niya, no? And what I can say, very, very, very versatile din to si Arabel.
It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me.
Hey! Very good choice song for me guys, kasi yung Build Cup is, I believe, hindi talaga nakikita yung original features ng singer or nang nag-perform. That's the part of the competition, no? And parang, it's a surprise thing lang kung kailan nila makikita. Unlike sa another competition ni Gwen Dorado na sinalihan niya, which is the Sing Again, doon naman yung name ang hindi agad sinabi. Dito naman sa competition na to, yung kanilang physical appearance, just the voice lang. So the curiosity is there at the same time. Ang galing ng Korea gumawa ng mga ganitong klaseng competition, no?
And I'm feeling good.
Ooh, sexy. Let's go.
Fish in the sea.
Ooh, sexy, ang hot, ang atake. Ganun siya.
You know how I feel. River running free. You know how I feel.
Gesture, let's go.
Some on a tree. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me.
Ooh, runs.
and I'm feeling good.
Oh, that's fire. That's fire, that's fire, that's sexy, hot. Ah! Ang ganda nung transition niya ng biglang sexy voice. No? Ang ganda nun, ang ganda nun, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda nun. And guys ha, just want you to know na ang mga Koreans po, very gusto talaga nila yung gantong klaseng performance. And mga pang international level. Naman yung mga reaction nila.
Dragonfly out in the sun. You know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies are having fun. You know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day is done. That's what I mean.
Ooh, dinig nyo ba yung guys? The emotion, the attitude, yung binibigay niya dito sa song na to ni Michael Bublé. Feeling good. It's feeling good talaga. It's giving me chills, guys. Every, lyrics of the song. And the quality of the voice ni Arabelle, no? Sobrang nakakagigil.
It's a new world, in a new world, in a bold world for me.
Let's go! Runs! Ang haba nun, ha? I told you guys, sobrang mataas din ang voice range nito ni Arabelle. Sobrang mataas din yung voice range niya. Kaya ako, nakakagigil. It's giving me a chills, guys. Seryoso. Let's go! Ang ganda nun, ha? Ang ganda nung takbo na yun, ha? Ang ganda.
Stars when you shine, you know how I feel.
Emotion! Let's go!
State of the mind, you know how I feel. Freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life.
Sobrang perfect lang sa akin, no, nung bawat linya ng song na binibigay sa atin ni Arabelle, no, and the emotion, the gesture, it's giving me chills. It's perfecto, and sobrang bagay sa kanya yung song na to, no. And guys, hindi masyadong ginagamit sa mga final singing competition yung mga gato pang finale. Feeling good ni Michael Bublé, but Arabelle is giving us different attack in this one. Sobrang amazing.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new life for me.
Let's go! Whew. Dinig nyo ba yun? Sobrang ganda ng runs na yun. Ang ganda.
And
Hey! From high notes to low notes, and with a chill of, sprinkle with sexiness and spiciness ni Arabelle dito sa performance na to. Oh! Kita mo naman yung mga reaction nila. Hey! Hey! It's feeling good, Arabelle.
feeling good.
Wow! Very nice performance. Sobrang ganda. It's spicy for me. Woo! That's why she won champion si Arabel sa competition na to ng Veiled Cup. Sobrang nakaka-proud lang guys na ang dami ng mga Filipino artists ang nagtatry na mag-join sa mga international competition. And the good thing about this, some other countries are open na pa-join ng mga iba't ibang contender from different countries, which is very good because nakikita na natin all over the world kung kung gaano tayo ka-competitive. And this one is approved by Arabel na kaya natin mag-stand out anywhere, which is proven na yan very very long time. And guys, that's it for today. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa akin, and wait po tayo sa mga susunod nating video. That's why guys, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos. Sobrang enjoy ako dito. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo guys. Comment down kayo sa baba kung may gusto pa kayong iba nating gawa ng reaction video gusto nyo panoorin ko. You're so welcome guys. Maraming salamat. Mahal ko kayo. Kita-kita po tayo sa susunod. Bye.